Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share my AM and PM skincare routine. This video has been highly requested. I hope you find it helpful, and I just wanted to give a disclaimer. So a lot of you love my skin. I just wanted to mention that my skin wasn't always this good. In college, I had the worst skin possible. It took a lot of trial and error to finally figure out a skincare routine that works for me. And honestly, how your skin looks has a lot to do with your lifestyle and what you eat and what you consume basically. So if you work out regularly, if you drink lots of water, and if you eat healthy, then it will show on your skin. Trust me, ever since I started working out, my skin definitely has transformed for the better. And one more thing, I drink a lot of water. This is that Stanley Cup ka dupe. I recently got it from Amazon and it's just so cute to drink from. Honestly, if you struggle with drinking water, just get something cute which will keep you motivated to drink water. At first I didn't like the straw thing because I usually drink gut water, but it's actually very cute to drink in, and unknowingly I end up drinking like 4 to 5 liters of water easily with this. So let's get started with the video now. So let's start with my AM skincare routine first. So when I wake up, I usually go to gym the first thing in the morning. So I just wash my face, apply some sunscreen and run to the gym. And after I come back, of course I have shower, and in the shower I actually use a face wash. So again, I'm not very particular about face washes because I get a lot of PR and I just pick up whatever is there. But if you're looking for like good, healthy, gentle face washes, then these are two of my favorites. This is the CeraVe foaming cleanser for normal to oily skin. Even for dry skin, this is really good. If you don't have the budget for this, then go for the simple one, simple refreshing facial wash. Literally simple and no nonsense kind of face wash. It's also perfect for sensitive skin, so would highly recommend it. So once I come out of the shower, I usually use vitamin C serums during the day because first of all, the properties are amazing. It helps to brighten out your skin and even out your skin tone and everything, and it also fights against free radicals. It basically protects your skin from the environmental damage, and especially when you pair it up with a sunscreen. That's why I like to use vitamin C during the daytime. Now again, I have so many vitamin C serums that brands sent me. I recently was using Garnier one. Now I started using the Klairs one. After this gets over, I'll just pick out another vitamin C serum from my stash. Not very particular about it as long as it works. This Klairs one I really enjoyed using. Thoda sa hi bacha hai. So what I like to do is I take a few drops, okay? I like to dab it on my skin. I don't know if it's just me, but whenever I apply this particular serum from Klairs, it just feels very warm on my skin. If you have used this serum, let me know if that was your experience with it too. It's not a bad thing, but it's just something I experienced. I don't know if it's supposed to happen. Now after this, I skip my moisturizer because it's very humid in Goa. I don't need to use a moisturizer during day here, but if I'm in a dry weather, then yes, I would use a moisturizer and then a sunscreen. In Goa, all the months are humid, so after this serum I directly jump on to sunscreen. I have made a separate video on my favorite sunscreens, you can check it out, but this is the one I'm using currently. It's almost over, like I think just 1 or 2 uses are left. This is by Thank You Pharma. Really like it. I love the glow it gives me. So usually sunscreens are also emollient, so they will work to moisturize your face. So if your skin is very oily, you can skip your moisturizer and directly use sunscreen during the day. So I like to use a very generous quantity. Right now I'm using less because I did use a sunscreen some time back, but usually I would use a lot. Like I just feel more is enough. And since I have a lot, I mean, if I was buying all these sunscreens with my own money, maybe I would be a little confused, but since I have so many that brands send me and I am not able to finish them, I'm sorry if that makes you feel like it's wasteful, but that's the way I figured out. It's one of the ways to finish my products fast. Of course, I give them away to my friends and family, but if I just use my regular quantity, then I'm not able to finish the product. So I just like to use generous quantity of everything. This is how my skin lookies, and I just love the glow this sunscreen gives me. Some years back, I had a very extensive skincare routine. I would follow a lot of steps because I was influenced by the influencers. I also did this Korean 7-step thing, 9-step toner thing. I don't even remember how many steps. But then as I'm growing older, I just don't have patience for these things. I just do the most basic thing which is required for my skin, and the extra steps, I'm just too lazy for it. But if you actually love doing it, then there's absolutely absolutely no issue. You do whatever makes you feel good. So for my PM skincare routine, especially if I'm wearing makeup, I obviously like to start with double cleansing my face, and I like to use cleansing balms for that. So Clinique Take the Day Off balm is one of my favorite cleansing balms. This is the charcoal variant, but after this gets over, I'm gonna get the original one because I like that more than this. It works almost the same, but I think I'll stick to the original one. So I like to apply a little bit on my face and then spread it properly. It melts all the makeup, especially your waterproof makeup, your mascara, so effortlessly. Then I like to emulsify it by adding some water. After that, I just rinse my face and then go in with my face wash. I'm using the same CeraVe face wash. Again, I'm not very particular about it. As long as it's cleaning my face, I'm good with it. So once my face is all clean, I don't like to use towels to wipe my face. I just let my face air dry most times, and then I like to go in with glycolic acid. This is by Ordinary. This is really good. Like, it has transformed my skin ever since I started using it some years back. I like the Pixi one also, but this is slightly more concentrated. This is 7%. So if your skin can tolerate it, you can definitely try it out. I like to use it on alternate days. I like to take a cotton pad. Dropped it. I like to take a cotton pad and just put few drops of it. Just like to sweep it across my skin. Make sure your face is dry if you're using these acids, because your skin really stings if it's damp because it absorbs more, right? So make sure if you're using this glycolic acid or any chemical exfoliator, make sure your face is dry. If you're using any hydrating and moisturizing stuff, then you can keep your face damp. That's better that way. Like to apply it mostly on the sides where I have, these issues, and my forehead. I used to have a lot of bumps on my forehead. Ever since I started using chemical exfoliators, my forehead has just become so much more smoother than earlier. In college, my forehead was very bad. Like, I had so many bumps. This glycolic acid helps with so many things. It just gives a very even toned skin, and it got rid of the bump issue, and just overall it will give you a really nice tone, because glycolic acid is an AHA. It will get rid of the top layer of your skin. Sorry, not top layer. The dead skin from the top layer of your skin. And if you have any acne issues, if you have very oily skin, then you can use salicylic acid, because that penetrates deeper and it just cleanses out your pores and everything. So it helps with acne. I also started using tretinoin last year around June or July in 2023, and for some reason I just took a break. I have no idea. It's been 2 months. I just haven't reached out to it. I think it's due to the fact that I started using the glycolic acid more now. Earlier I was not using it when I was using tretinoin, because it's a lot to balance, because you can't use it in the same routine. You have to think, if today you're using it, then you have to give your skin a break, and then you have to think a lot, and I just think I didn't have the patience. So I'm just on a break from tretinoin for no reason at all. But yeah, just wanted to mention that yes, I do use tretinoin, and don't just get it just because I'm showing it, because this is a prescription thing. Like, this is a medicine. Don't just use it however you want to. There are some precautions you have to take, and I started with the lowest concentration first, then I increased the concentration. Still my skin could take it. I didn't actually visit a doctor, by the way. I ordered it from Amazon, and then one doctor calls you and then they give you a prescription without really seeing you. They just ask a few questions on the call, that's it. But I am no way telling you to get this. Please don't get this unless your doctor has prescribed it to you. If you want me to make a separate video on that, I can. I got it by myself because I did enough research, but I understand not all of you will have the knowledge, and you might just spoil your skin if you are blindly listening to me and getting it. So please don't. Do your research really well, or go to a doctor and then get it only if they prescribe it to you. Next, I directly use a moisturizer usually, but sometimes if I'm feeling extra, I like to add some serums, especially these hydrating serums. If I have hyaluronic acid, I would use that. Currently I'm using this one by Foxtail. This is the Keep Calm Daily Hydrating Serum. It just gives me this extra hydration, especially because I sleep in AC, so my skin gets dry. So overnight it just gives me a really nice layer of hydration, and my skin doesn't get very dry. I just like to dab my skin For moisturizers again, I don't really stick to one particular moisturizer because I get a lot of PR and I'm not very particular about it. I just pick up anything and I use it. Of course, I mean the moisturizer has to be moisturizing, it has to be good. So of course I choose based on that. And the moisturizer I'm absolutely loving currently is by DU. This is the DU in my Defense Barrier Building Skin Food. When Alia Bhatt showed this in her skincare routine, this moisturizer just got very viral. This is very expensive, I'll tell you. Like if I didn't get it in PR, I didn't have the heart to buy it. I mean, it was there in my wish list, but I didn't know if I want to spend 3,500 on this because it gets old also very fast because I like to use a lot of quantity for my moisturizers because my skin is slightly dry. But yeah, I just love it. This moisturizer is also really good for dry skin. One of my favorites. I just like to take few pumps. This is slightly pinkish in color. It absorbs really quickly. Love it. And it moisturizes also very nicely. If you like to splurge on skincare, if you have the budget, then you can definitely check it out. Even the Clinique Moisture Surge is really good. I used it for a very long time. And after that, I started getting a lot of PR, so I don't really buy anything. I don't really need to buy because I have a lot of products. Sometimes if my skin is feeling very dry, if the weather is dry and whatever, like depends on my mood, then I like to add some face oil. Now I like the one by Nykaa and I also like the Squalane face oil. This is the one I have currently. This is by Minimalist Squalane. I'll add these links in the description box below. And before sleeping, I like to use this Laneige lip sleeping mask. This is in the apple lime flavor, but I like the original one more. I think the original one has slightly like pinkish tint. This has no tint, so it makes my lips look very pale. But that's okay, I'm just sleeping, right? I love to apply a thick layer before I sleep. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. This was it for my skincare routine. Let me know in the comments what your skincare routine looks like. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week and I will see you in my next video. Bye. So this is that
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?